Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to change your password in your Collect. Maybe you want to change your password in your Collect because you want to secure your account, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can change your password in your Collect application. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Collect application. Once you open your Collect application, you'll be directed into this page. These all items. You can also see below reports, sort later, and account. For this tutorial, you need to tap on this account button. And then in here, to change the password of your Collect application, simply tap on your profile. And as you can see in here, there will be an option to change your password. Simply tap on change your password. And then in here, need a little password change? We got you. Just hit the button below and we'll email you a link to change your password. When you tap on this send email, there will be an email from Collect. You just simply need to check your email and then press the link that Collect gave to you to change your password. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change your password in Collect, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change your password in Collect, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.